So first we're going to start with making a really simple gin fizz with the Elite Lavender Pono potions. So I have my makeshift Paw Patrol, is that Paw Patrol? I don't know. Cocktail shakers. And we're going to take a ½ ounce of the lavender syrup. It's about a ½ ounce. Next I just have some simple store-bought lemonade. We're gonna go in with, I would say about 3 ounces. Actually 2 ounces, we want it to be more boozy. 2 ounces of lemonade. Then we have our gin. You can go 1.5 ounces, 3 ounces if you're any of my friends. We'll just go 1.5 ounces. We're going a little late today. It's 10 a.m. after all. And then we're going to take a little bit of this thyme just for fun. Sprig of thyme right in there. And the secret ingredient, we're going to do an egg white, a raw egg white. Right in our cup. We don't want to get any yellows in there or else it won't froth up. Now we're going to put the lid on our very fancy cocktail shaker. Just give it a quick shake first to get it nice and frothy. And we're gonna add ice. So now we have ice in our shaker. Pop the lid on. I'm gonna get it as tight as I can so I don't get a facial. Shake it really hard for about 30 seconds. Now you can do this 2 ways. I like it served up in a martini glass. Frothy and delicious. And we're gonna garnish it just with a sprig of thyme. I don't like that one. It's so nervous. Just with a sprig of thyme on the edge like that. Love that. Very tasty. Or we can serve it another way. On the rocks. Off camera. So now we have it on the rocks, and if you really want to get fancy, we're going to take some leftover red wine from last night. Float it on the top like that. We have a brand new cocktail. This would be like a gin sour, New York sour with a float of red wine. Looks delicious. So good. The red wine kind of brightens it up and has a nice dry aftertaste. So that's our gin fizz.